OER is proud to present our reproduction of the original style leather-wrapped steering wheel designed for use on 1982 to 89 Camaro models. Each steering wheel is produced to factory original specifications that includes a stamped steel center ring and an authentic leather grip. Careful attention to detail and an uncompromising commitment to the highest quality makes OER's reproduction leather steering wheel a must-have for any third-generation Camaro restorer who's looking for complete authenticity. This steering wheel was originally factory installed on 1982 to 86 models with NK3 leather interior option or 1987 to 89 models with NP5 leather interior option, usually found on Z28 and IROC-Z models of the era. OER's matching leather horn cap is the perfect complement to the steering wheel and is sold separately. OER, setting the standard for quality restoration parts.